In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use margin investing on Robinhood from your computer. If you're interested in trading with borrowed funds to potentially boost your returns, this guide will walk you through each step so you can get started with confidence. Let's begin by opening Robinhood on your PC. Make sure you navigate to the official Robinhood website and enter your login credentials to access your account. It's important to always log in securely and avoid sharing your password with anyone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard with an overview of your portfolio. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the account icon. This will open a menu with several options. Here, you'll want to select Investing. This section contains all the settings and information related to your investments. Now here's where you check if you're eligible for margin investing. If your account meets Robinhood's requirements, you'll see an option labeled Enable Margin Investing. If this option isn't available, it may be due to factors such as your account type, your balance, or regulatory requirements. Assuming you are eligible, click on Enable Margin Investing. Before you proceed, Robinhood will present you with a margin agreement. It's very important to take your time and carefully read through this agreement. Margin trading comes with risks, and understanding both the opportunities and responsibilities is crucial. Once you're comfortable and agree to the terms, go ahead and click Accept. With margin enabled, you're ready to purchase stocks or ETFs using borrowed funds. To do this, search for the stock or ETF you want to buy, either by entering its name or ticker symbol in the search bar. When you've selected your choice, click Buy. At this stage, you'll be prompted to choose your funding method. Look for the option to Use Margin and select it. Next, enter the amount you wish to invest. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Review Order to double-check the details. If everything looks correct, finish by clicking Buy. Just like that, you've made a trade using margin on Robinhood. To keep tabs on your margin usage, navigate back to the account menu and select Investing again. Here, you'll find two important figures: your buying power, which shows how much you have left to invest, and your margin balance, which tells you how much you've borrowed. Before we wrap up, it's essential to keep in mind that trading on margin can increase your potential gains, but it also heightens the risk of larger losses. Always monitor your investments closely and only use margin with a clear understanding of the risks. That's it for today's tutorial on using margin investing with Robinhood. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.